Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena and I'm professional makeup artist, and today I'm sharing my everyday nude makeup, and I'm using today nude and neutral color to create this look. So without delay, let's begin. Before I start any makeup, it's very important to do your skin care routine. So I'm going to start with skin care. So moisturizing, I'm using from the Olay Complete Lightweight Day Lotion Normal to Oily Skin SPF 15, and I have to apply extra because I have got dry skin. Second, I'm using the primer. So primer I'm using from the MORPHE for long lasting my makeup. So guys, it's very important to apply the primer as well to hold your makeup long lasting. Then I'm going to apply the eye cream. I'm using from the Forever Living Aloe Vera Lightweight Non-Greasy to keep my eye hydrating and help to reduce fine lines. So guys, you can use any kind of eye cream. Then I'm going to use the lip balm. Lip balm I'm using from the Vaseline Rosy to keep my lip smooth and plump. So guys, this is the basic skincare routine. So I'm going to leave my skin about 3 to 4 minutes to work all products on my skin. Then after 4 to 5 minutes you can start makeup. Next I'm doing correcting. So correcting I'm using from MUA. This is the peach to cover my black under circle eyes and where I need it, like a black patches or uneven skin tones. So guys, if you got like this problem, it's very necessary to apply the corrector before you apply the foundation. Otherwise your foundation will look grey or ashy. Then you can use the brush or beauty blender to blend, and just dapping where just blend. Now my skin ready to foundation. So foundation I'm using from the MORPHE F340. This is light to medium coverage. So I'm not going to apply very heavy. For everyday makeup I don't like heavy foundation on my skin, so I'm going to keep less amount on my skin. Then I'm just using my finger to apply. If you do that way, you can control it. You can apply less amount, and if you need later on, you can build up. Then I'm going to use the flat brush to blend. You can use the damp beauty blender to blend. Then just blend out. Next I'm going to apply the concealer. So concealer I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just going to apply under my eyes and little bit in forehead, near my mouth, and same concealer I'm going to apply in my eyelid as well. So guys, trust me, this concealer is the best. Fit Me Maybelline. I tried many concealer before, but this is the best I found. And I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend. You can use the brush, then just look upwards and then just blend out. This is very creamy, and you can see it's very soft. very lightweight. Some concealers is very dry, especially when you use under eyes, it became crisp very quickly. Next, I'm going to apply the loose translucent powder. Then I'm going to apply the under my eyes and T-zone where I normally start to sweat. I'm going to apply very less amount, especially under my eyes, not too much, and just dabbing where just apply very less amount. You can use powder puffs to apply, and just dabbing with very light hand I'm going to use it. And I'm going to apply in T-zone. I normally start to sweat here and near my nose. Then apply a little bit around the face, not too much, otherwise you will look very powdery. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm going to use the eyebrow comb and just I'm going to comb my eyebrow upward. And I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil from the Maybelline Brow Define Pencil, and then just I'm going to fill up the sparse area. So next I'm doing eye makeup. So eyeshadow palette I'm using from Revelation. You can see it's lots of colors there, but I'm going to use all nude colors. Maybe 3 colors I'm going to use. So first color I'm going to use the very skin color and little bit brown color, then dark brown color. Then I'm taking little bit big floppy brush. Then I'm just going to apply in my eye crease. I don't want to look everyday very dramatic, so I'm going to stop just here where my eyebrow tail is. I'm not going to further that, so I'm just going to apply very lightweight and in circular motion and just blend out. Second color I'm using the brown color. Then I'm just going to apply whole my eyelid, taking little bit small floppy brush. Just take little bit amount first, then you can build up and keep blending out. You have to take 2-3 times to get colors. So make sure you diffuse the colors and make sure there is no harsh lines. So keep blending. Then I'm taking darker brown color and little bit small brush. Then I'm just going to apply outer corner of my eyes to give you a little bit smoky effects. And just apply like a V shape. Then one more time I'm taking the lighter brown color. Then I'm just going to diffuse both color. Just blend out together to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next I'm taking the black eyeshadow. Then I'm taking flat angle brush. Then I'm going to create the eyeliner wing. Very small eyeliner wing like effect. Like that, not too much. Next I'm going to apply the mascara from Maybelline High Sky. Next I'm going to apply the eye pencil from the Revelation. Next I'm going to take the same eyeshadow, then just apply lower my eyelashes to hold my eye pencil. Otherwise my eye pencil always smudged out. So So guys, I done my eye makeup, so next I'm going to apply the bronzer. So today I'm not doing any contouring. Every day I don't like contour my face. So bronzer I'm using from the RIMMBLE London natural bronzer, and I'm just going to apply my forehead and around the face, a little bit of cheek, so just to give you like a sun-kissed effects, and just apply. Some in my forehead. Then I'm going to use a small brush in my nose. Next I'm going to apply the blush, very less amount from KK. Slightly I'm going to apply in my high cheekbone. Next I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick from QLBEST. This is the very nude color. Then I'm going to apply directly from the applicator. Going to apply little bit lighter color, little bit brown color in the middle of the lips. So guys, I complete my makeup. You can apply the highlighters, but I'm not going to use any highlighters today because day makeup, so I don't like any highlighter in daytime, especially in everyday. So you can apply highlighter if you like. Then if you like to apply false eyelashes, you can go ahead, but I'm just going to keep as it is. So guys, this is my final look. So I like to keep my hair every day like a ponytail, very comfortable, and some cozy jumpers on, and you can see my makeup is everyday like the nude soft look. I don't like very heavy makeup every day. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.